Hello everyone, I'm Ashish, Solutions Engineer at Devra. I spent 8 years building products at the intersection of AI and enterprise systems, and I've shipped over 1,000 plus applications for Amazon Alexa as a freelance conversational AI developer, mainly building apps for airports, city governments, insurance companies, major QSR brands. You name an industry, I probably built an app for that. And then I moved on to working in enterprise identity for Okta. And then currently I'm building agentic AI systems at DevRev. Other than work, I'm also heavily involved in the community and I'm an Amazon Alexa champion and a AWS community builder. And I also like to speak at a lot of conferences around the world. I've spoken at MDC London, OSS Korea, and MDC Copenhagen. And with all these opportunities, I get to travel and see the world a lot and meet a lot of new people. So far, I have covered 35 countries and 5 continents as a solo traveler. But here is a problem that almost every solo traveler faces. Let's say I will just take an anecdote from one of my recent trips where I went to Guatemala and I was in a hostel at Guatemala and I met Maria, a photographer from Barcelona, and I got her Instagram. Now, 2 weeks later, I was trying to remember, was she from Spain or Colombia? And where did I actually meet her? Did I meet her in Antigua or did I meet her in Panajachel in Guatemala? Solo travelers pretty much meet like 50 plus people per trip. And let's say after visiting 10 countries, that's like 500 new connections scattered all across the globe. And you have them in like notes apps, your WhatsApp messages, or Instagram DMs, and just relying on your memory to figure out where did I meet this specific person. So to solve this problem, I have built Crosspaths, and after visiting 35 countries, making hundreds, if not thousands, of connections all around the world, without any good way to track them, I needed something to help me out. So I pretty much wipe coded crosspaths with Emergent in just one session. And every person you meet gets saved with 3 locations where you met them and where is their home base and where they currently are. Now, nobody has built this because contact apps majorly think in names and numbers. What I wanted to do different was make crosspaths think in places and people. Let me show you how. So this is the mobile app that I have built with Emergent and pretty much a couple of prompts. And as you can see from Maria's example, this is where you can save where you met this person, their home base, and where they are traveling currently, and add some notes. And in their profile, you can see their Instagram or their contact number, and you can share it. So this is just a V1 of the product, and you can also filter people based on where their home bases are, and it can also have like a list of different countries and a number of people that you have met from there and different contact cards, and you can add new people, and you can also see a map of all the people that you have met across the world. So that is what we have built today. But if money was no constraint, I would like to see Crosspaths become the global social travel graph, if I can call it that. And at scale, this becomes something powerful. Like it will have features like I am in Bangkok mode, where you just land in a new city and instantly see who you know nearby in the location. And there can be a section for warm intros where your mutual connections can make you meet new people. Like a friend of a friend is in the same hostel. Why don't you guys hang around? And then there can be QR code exchange where people just scan each other at hostels and without typing, they get all the relevant details about them rather than sharing Instagram DMs. And then the heat map you saw in early version where you can see the cluster of your connections where they are from. And you can plan your trip around people and not just places the next time you start looking for your vacation location. So this is the version that I vibe coded with Emergent in one session. I love to keep building the full social travel graph at VibeCon if I get selected. Thank you.